Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to Healthy Food Crush Food Facts, your go-to source for all things health and nutrition. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you that's sure to pique your interest. We're diving into the incredible world of pumpkin seeds and their effects on your body when consumed daily. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a nutrition powerhouse linked to a range of health advantages, including enhanced fertility, improved heart health, and better blood sugar regulation. Despite their small size, these seeds are brimming with essential nutrients. A small serving can deliver a substantial amount of healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc. Consequently, pumpkin seeds are associated with numerous health benefits such as better heart health, prostate health, and protection against specific cancers. What's more, incorporating these seeds into your diet is a breeze. Here are 11 science-backed health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Number 1. Nutrient-rich. Just 1 ounce of shell-free pumpkin seeds packs roughly 160 calories, mainly from fat and protein. Additionally, this 1 ounce serving provides valuable nutrients such as carbs, protein, fat, fiber, manganese, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, and besides these nutrients, pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants, potassium, riboflavin, and folate. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds boast antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic acids, vitamin E, and carotenoids, which can reduce inflammation and protect your cells from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants contribute to the seed's positive effects on health, as demonstrated in studies. Number 3. Cancer risk reduction. Research indicates that pumpkin seeds may contain plant compounds that could help guard against cancer growth. Studies have linked pumpkin seed consumption to a reduced risk of breast cancer in postmenopausal women and suggest that lignans in pumpkin seeds may play a role in preventing and treating breast cancer. Furthermore, pumpkin seed extract has shown promise in slowing the growth of prostate cancer cells in a laboratory setting. Number 4. Prostate and bladder health. Pumpkin seeds may alleviate symptoms associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a condition where the prostate gland enlarges, leading to urinary issues. Human studies have found that consuming these seeds can reduce BPH symptoms. Pumpkin seed oil, while not as effective as prescription medication, was associated with fewer side effects in a study. Additionally, pumpkin seeds or their products may help treat overactive bladder symptoms. Number 5. Magnesium powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds are a top natural source of magnesium, a mineral often lacking in Western diets. Magnesium is essential for various bodily functions, including blood pressure regulation, heart health, bone maintenance, and blood sugar control. A 1 ounce serving provides 40% of your daily value. Number 6. Heart health booster. Pumpkin seeds' antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, and unsaturated fats can contribute to a healthy heart. Studies have demonstrated that pumpkin seed oil may reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, key risk factors for heart disease. Increased nitric oxide production, which improves blood vessel function, is another potential mechanism for pumpkin seeds' heart-healthy effects. Number 7. Blood sugar control. Some animal studies suggest that pumpkin and its seeds can lower blood sugar levels. High magnesium content in pumpkin seeds may contribute to this effect. Observational studies have shown that individuals with higher magnesium intake have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 8. Fiber-rich. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber with 1.7 grams per ounce. A high-fiber diet promotes digestive health and reduces the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Number 9. Sperm quality enhancement. Pumpkin seeds rich in zinc may improve sperm quality and male fertility. One animal study even showed that pumpkin seed oil and vitamin E supplementation improve sperm quality and reproductive performance. Number 10. Sleep aid. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that can promote sleep. Adequate magnesium levels, also found in pumpkin seeds, have been associated with better sleep quality in some studies, although further research is needed to confirm these sleep benefits. Number 11. Easy dietary inclusion. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is effortless. They make for a popular snack, whether raw, roasted, salted, or unsalted. You could also add them to smoothies, yogurt, fruit bowls, salads, and soups. However, be aware that pumpkin seeds contain phytic acid, which can hinder nutrient absorption. Soaking or sprouting them may reduce phytic acid content. In summary, pumpkin seeds are a treasure trove of nutrients and antioxidants that address dietary deficiencies and protect against various health issues. Their documented benefits encompass heart health, blood sugar control, fertility, sleep improvement, and potential cancer protection. Additionally, their nutrient profile may enhance energy, mood, and immune function. The versatility of pumpkin seeds allows for easy incorporation into your diet, enabling you to enjoy these numerous health perks. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.